Hey friends, if you encounter system restore error 0x80100204 on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to run the checkdisk scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator in the right pane to open the elevated command prompt window. Type the command chkdsk /r /f and hit enter. Press Y and hit enter once again. The next two involve an SFC scan. DISM scan is only a different kind of an SFC scan, because the first one will repair the missing and corrupt system files and the other one will repair the system image. But we are performing a system restore anyway. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The last solution is to reset the system restore settings. Search for recovery in the Windows search bar and open recovery. Then go to open system restore and click on next. Select a good restore point, click on next and select finish and do it once again. So basically we are trying to perform system restore after a checkdisk scan and an SFC scan, and it should work. And if it doesn't, then the last option you'll have is a cloud reset and nothing else. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.